What's nitro? Whether you're in a car or not, nitro will make you feel irrepressibly powerful. So we are on to, at the time of filming, Chapter 5, Season 3 of Fortnite, which has been just going on for an insanely long time. And the newest consumable is a nitro and a nitro splash. Now they come in a barrel size, the splash size. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a non-alcoholic nitro splash. Now, Fortnite is a game that gets entirely way too much hate, and I'll admit, I was on that side at one point. I could not stand all the little Fortnite dances. It was the most hyped game of all time. It's gonna get haters when it does something like that. If you're doing something right, you have haters. So I kind of matured a little bit. I decided Fortnite, I mean, I still haven't played it, unfortunately. I've just been busy playing Fallout 4, Viva Pinata, and Halo over and over again on the same cycle. Regardless, this drink is gonna be amazing. I decided to make it non-alcoholic today. I don't know, I know a lot of kids love Fortnite, and if you're one of those adults at home and you're watching this and you're like, oh geez, another non-alcoholic cocktail, let me ask you, how do you not know what liquor to add to a very simple frozen blended tropical drink? I mean, come on. Add any flavor of rum, add white rum, add dark rum, add vodka. I get it for some drinks, but for this one, I mean, if you really need help, drop a comment. I'll roast you a little bit, but I will help you. But that's why we're doing non-alcoholic today. We're doing it for the Fortnite kids, guys, come on. To make the drink itself, we're gonna grab some Tangelo Craft Puree. You can make this at home if you just know what a Tangelo looks like. It looks like this little thing on here. I'm actually gonna teach you how to make a black cherry puree so you can follow that same exact formula with Tangelos instead if you wanted to make it. So you can buy it or you can make it. Pretty easy. Pretty easy. We'll also need a little bit of pineapple juice in an unmarked bottle because I just use so much of it. I like to keep it unmarked. I feel like that's like a bartender thing, having juices in unmarked bottles. I highly recommend sugar-free pineapple juice because this is a sweet drink. And I would say the same thing for my orange juice, except I already have some that's not sugar-free, but that's for the drink. Now, we're gonna make a black cherry puree. Now this is kind of what's gonna give it that really cool black nitro fiery color. So we're obviously going to need black cherries. Now you're probably wondering, what is a black cherry? Well, they're not real. It's an overly ripe regular cherry. So grab some overly ripe regular cherries. That's what you need first. A little bit of sugar. Believe it or not, those purees always get a little bit of lemon or lime juice. I'm opting for lemon. And my secret ingredient that makes this super cool, black food dye. So that's all we're gonna need. Let's make this puree. We're just gonna do this with our bare hands. I'm gonna blend up about 5 cherries. If you wanna avoid a really, really bitter puree, you're gonna have to take the pits out. It's annoying, but that's the life we're living. If somebody knows a better way to remove the pits from cherries, please let me know. This is what I've been doing my whole life. I don't really see how it could be any easier, but there seems like there should be an easier way at the same time. Now it's time to get juice from half of a lemon, as I very unprofessionally cut this. Here we go. You guys know. I can't even get this open. I'm not feeling good right now. Ugh. I've been landing it in there every time. Let's go. And now, like I said, we just want juice from half of a lemon, not a whole lemon. Now we're going to add in about a teaspoon of sugar. You can adjust this to your personal taste, but that's what I find works the best. But I'm eyeballing it because you can always add more, but you can't take it out. And finally, the secret ingredient that's gonna make this dark as night, a little bit of black food dye. You need that, you really do. How else are you gonna get it that nitro black color? All right, so now it's just time to blend up our puree and see if it tastes good. Well, it looks good. That is a really good black cherry puree. All right, now for the actual nitro itself, not just the puree, we are going to add in 3 ounces of pineapple juice. God dang it, I just want one day without a mess. I get so excited making these drinks that I make a mess every single time. It upsets me, guys, it really does. So there we go, 3 ounces of pineapple juice. 3 ounces of orange juice. We're gonna do about 1.5 ounces of Tangelo puree. I really wanted to bring out that bright orange color, and it's just delicious and not too sweet. And now I actually forgot my secret ingredient here, so let me get it for you. Okay, so this, it's called nitro, right? And I was kind of thinking nitro, kind of explosive, it's fast, it gives you a boost. why not toss in just a ½ ounce of Red Bull syrup? Now this is completely optional. You don't have to do this, but I do think it's very fitting for the name. So Red Bull syrup is my final mystery ingredient that I definitely didn't just forget. Let's blend that up. Looks like we got the perfect consistency here. Let's pour that out. Oh yeah, this is perfect. Let's top it with our black cherry puree. That looks so cool. And now why don't we just give that a little bit of a stir here. And there you have it, guys. This is the Nitro from Fortnite. Cheers. I guess my blender didn't work that good. I got a whole bit of cherry there. All right, so taste-wise, it's super citrusy, but it's got a little bit of that punch from the Red Bull and the Tangelo. It's really, really tropical vibes. A good punch of sweetness, that kick from the bold black cherry is just so good. The Nitro itself is really, really dark. I mean, we could have done a ton of black cherry, but I just think it would have been overkill, and otherwise we'd just be adding black dye to the orange juice, and that's not gonna get the right color. So I think color-wise, extremely accurate. I got the Red Bull syrup in there for that nitro element, and it tastes deliciously tropical, citrusy, and refreshing. I really, really like this drink. I know earlier I was dogging all you alcoholics who don't seem to know how to add alcohol to things. If I was going to add alcohol here, I'd probably go for a tropical rum and then white rum. Do a little bit of both because tropical rum flavored stuff's usually weaker. This would be a very nice blended cocktail on a hot summer day. But the Nitro from Fortnite is officially in the books. This is the first, I think, the first non-alcoholic drink video where the whole video was dedicated to being a non-alcoholic drink. So if you guys like that, let me know, I'll do more. And especially, I know Fortnite is incredibly popular. I'm gonna play it one day. I promise. If you guys want to see more Fortnite drinks, just let me know in the comments. I should probably do a chug jug. I should probably do a shield potion, but let me know. What do you guys want to see? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.